awesome. It's a very historical event and something I'm very proud to be a part of.
It's my pleasure to be here today to welcome Discovery to her new home and open the next chapter of her historic life. I welcome all of you here today to share in the accomplishments of Discovery and the fleet of which she was a part.
Since 1960, NASA and the Smithsonian have worked together to make space objects accessible to the public. Discovery is the latest example of this collaboration. Although it is impossible to recognize the thousands of people by name who contributed to Discovery's achievements, we are honored to have 15 of the 32 commanders of Discovery who are here on stage.
Today, Discovery takes on a new mission. Less dynamic, perhaps, but nonetheless important. It will be a symbol for our nation of space flight that presents optimism and hope and challenge and leadership and aspiration to explore and to excel.
It's a sense of closure. My family and I were invited to attend the STS-135 launch, and that was the only launch that I ever saw in person, and that was quite emotional. And now this is the other end of it, where the program is finally completed. The shuttles are going to their homes.
What are you going to be taking away with you today?
A sense of satisfaction knowing that something that I did helped make this moment possible.